Alright, today, October 31st, last day of October, I'm making mussels rice. It's going to be a test. I'm going to use my Italian coffee maker as a measuring cup. So, one of these for rice, 2 of water. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is wash the rice to get some of that starch off. Okay, see how it is lined. This is so it rises on a stick. All right, 1 cup, cups. Going to add the garlic powder. And the salt. Okay. Boiling, I'm going to add the Spanish mussels. Okay, the Spanish mussels. Okay, it's boiling again, big time. So now we're going to add the rice. Well, let's mix it up too. Should mix as well. Oh, I put some dry parsley in there too before it started boiling. So it's all getting nicely mixed. Okay, now it's boiling, so I'm going to turn the heat to very low and cover it. Start the timer for 20 minutes. Oh, I can do it this other way. There. I'm going to add some lemon, some sriracha, and some parmesan. It is done. It's not al dente like last time, so 20 minutes is the ticket. That's actually pretty damn good. Wow. And the beer. Founders forever.